Attracting new customers for your pet food brand can be a challenge. Discover how Zoho CRM is your ultimate partner in capturing and nurturing leads. Our comprehensive lead generation strategy, powered by Zoho CRM, ensures every potential customer becomes a valuable lead for your business. We begin with meticulous planning, leveraging comprehensive market insights, website analytics, and crucial stakeholder input directly within Zoho CRM. Next, we design user-friendly, conversion-optimized web forms, ensuring every essential detail, from pet type to dietary preferences, is captured efficiently. Zoho CRM becomes your central hub for lead management. It integrates seamlessly, automating lead nurturing, assigning sales tasks, and providing a unified pipeline view. With everything in place, we strategically deploy web forms across your digital platforms and launch targeted promotional campaigns to drive initial submissions. Finally, we leverage Zoho CRM's robust analytics to continuously monitor performance, analyze lead quality, and refine strategies for optimal ROI. By centralizing your lead management and marketing efforts within Zoho CRM, we empower your team and drive unparalleled success in the competitive pet food industry. Aspiring to transform your pet food marketing with a proven strategy and Zoho CRM? Let's connect and empower your success.